Dropping into FAO stores an hour early. Only with a MasterCard. Stepping into his imagination. Priceless. Priceless New York is a collection of unforgettable experiences. Dining and entertainment to sports. Even private dining at FAO stores. Yours at pricelessny.com. This is the Fox 5 News halftime report.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Christina Parker with Fox 5 News halftime report. A man with a long criminal past was shot and killed by police in Ridgewood, Queens. Police say it happened around 10:45 last night. A pair of detectives had just arrested a suspect in a drug sting when unnoticed.
Who's gonna win? Paul Whittle's taking Chumpy down. Chumpy's coming back. Take her down, Chumpy.
Yeah, chance.
Oh, she's got his face. 2-minute bell. It's been 2 minutes. Ding, ding, ding. End of round 1. Go. Round 2. Giving up, Jumps? Nope. Penny's winning.
Oh my god.
You think that was home?
Mm-mm.